around on the front, the bow of the ship. It's really pretty here. Sorry, it's very, very windy. I do have the wind thing on the camera. It's just very, very windy. This is the fitness center. So up there, the spa. Here's the fitness center.
Barely see the bow here.
Oh, let me see. Oh. You see? That's the bow right there sticking up. Here they have it where you can look down on the bridge. See, they have it so that you can look through windows down there into the bridge, but they ask you to not video. So, we're not showing that. But it's really cool to see. Whoa. What are we looking at over here?
Cargo ship.
Oh. I think it's a little moist in the air to zoom in on it. Am I rushing you?
No. No.
Because I was just walking. I didn't mean to rush us.
No.
It's very beautiful, isn't it? This is the Flowrider right back here.
Stand up by. Place one foot in the back. And look about shoulder width distance.
They show you how. they're pointing that way. Like how on earth I would get over there, I don't know. Yay! Oh, this guy is going to show us how it's done. Look at that. I think they turned it up. Maybe not. Oh, here's the line, y'all. This is the line right here along the glass. Right here is the line. Their little miniature golf area. Yeah. Then you have the children playing over here, having a ball. Oh, see, to do it, to surf, you gotta be 58 inches. To boogie board, you gotta be 52 inches. And right here is the rock wall. So they've got the Flowrider, that is no additional cost. Flowrider's included, basketball, miniature golf, rock wall. This is all part of, it's included. Got people waiting their turn to play basketball here. Looks like everybody's having a really nice time. Nobody's rock climbing right now. The FIFA World Cup. Woohoo! Isn't that soccer? Oh, there's the NBA over there for basketball. I'm going to say? They have deck 13.
नहीं मतलब बहुत सारे लोग ये सब शो
Deck 13.
और ये सारी चीजें एक्सप्लोर भी नहीं करते।
I didn't know we did that.
क्या रेडी हो गए वहाँ?
So everybody can shine too.
Did you want a Diet Coke?
Sure.
High above your greatest fear. And with a little bit of light, you can make
And then if y'all are Diamond with Royal Caribbean, the door is right over here. Isn't this nice?
Thank you. They're so happy now because this will really perk me up.
So here's where you're going. If you're going in the Diamond Club, you just swipe your card right there on the pad and in you go.
shame. Oh, what a shame that we do not give in to one another. See, how can we learn to love? She wants to hide in the dark. Shine. Everybody can shine too.
Should we go around this way or back this way?
Either, well, got to go around.
At one that time
And this is deck 14, by the way. It's like 4:30 on our last day.